thank you so much for being here. It's really nice to see such a, for me, unexpected, and super pleasurable surprise to see so many people here. I would like to present you this very interesting project that's based in New York City called Vox Novus, which is a collective of new music and composers, contemporary composers, and their project is called 15 Minutes of Fame, which is the performer needs to choose 15 one-minute pieces to be performed as a whole, as one piece. And I want to thank all the 87 composers worldwide, as far as South Africa, Ecuador, and Brazil, and Russia, and China. There were such wonderful compositions that were submitted to me, and it was incredibly difficult task to choose only 15 out of them. And I hope that you will enjoy these ones. So 15 as one piece.